Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to remove the cable, the power cable from the battery case. This one, it comes from here. It's in here. The reason why we need to replace these ones at times is because they got short off and they got burned on one of the sides over here. For this, you're gonna need to remove first the seat on the bike. From that part, so we have the core model here. So I recommend to remove the seat tacks out of the cables there. And also there's another seat tack over here. It needs to be removed. Take it off. On that part, this is the power connector. So all you need to do is pull it out. And this one here, there's a red cable pin. So you have to press here and remove. Just pull a little bit out. So then from here, this cable came all the way out. This cable here, it's on the back of the battery case over here. You can see. So now, once you do this part, so let's go to the front. You're gonna need a screwdriver or remove those two screws from the connector over there. It's on the side. Once you release both of the screws, all you need to do is push from the back of the cable. And it's gonna come out the whole piece. Be careful with the screws, don't lose them. You're gonna reuse it again. So all you need to do is pull the wire through. And then you have the connector out from there. So these are the two screws that need to be there. Also the directions on these, they have a different, they have these two kind of guides under, which they're gonna fit on the battery. As you can see, there is the two guides over there, so just make sure this is matching, same one. And there's a plus and minus indicators. There's the plus, the red cable, and minus the black cable here. So I'm going to show you how to put it back in place. We just get the wire. You can see here, there's a hole on the casing. So you have to pass through the cables through there and comes through the back. And pull the cable from the back. Make sure the connector is all the way in. And the guides on the bottom. So you can place the screws by hand over there in place. So you lost them. use your screwdriver. All the way, and also make sure this guides on the bottom there here, so that's where the battery fits in. And let's go back here. So back to the cable, it goes through the top, and then back over here there is another hole, and you have to fit it through the cable, and you have cable out here. This is directional, so you have the flat part on the side and the kind of rounded. Just push it in to connect, and the connector on the red, there's a little pin on top that's gonna be on top with that one. You're gonna hear a tiny click, and just put the zip tags just to hold the cables in place again. Have the other cables over here. And that's it. You got your battery connector back on place.